Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 23 of the Wera Advent Calendar. So far we have the wand halter with various hex keys, a pouch with handles, micro and large bits, and our magnet. Now let's see what's behind number 23 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have the last two L handle keys that go inside our wand halter. So don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 24. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.